Hello everybody. We shall start today exercise 10E. In exercise 10E, which deals with time and work. Okay, it deals with time and work. Now, in this time and work, are and work is always is in indirect ratio. For example, if A can do a piece of work, okay, A can do a piece of work in 5 days. In 5 days. So, 1 day work will be how much? Means in 1 day, how much work can be done? It is very natural, 5 times less. So, 1 day work will be equal to your 1 by 5. Very simple. Clear? A can do a piece of work in 5 days. So 1 day work will be 1 by 5. Means 5 times less. Similarly, when we proceed on to question number 1, it says A can do a piece of work in 10 days. In 10 days. Okay? Therefore, A's 1 day work will be how much? Will be 1 by 10? 10 times less? They have also given you about B's. One work. So B can do one work in 15 days. Okay, fine. So similarly, B's 1 day work will be equal to how much? B's one work will be equal to 1 by 15. Now, if A and B work together, so A plus B, 1 day work, or you can say working together, A's 1 day work and B's 1 day work will be how much? Will be your 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15 will give you how much? Will give you LCM is equal to 30, 3 plus 2, that is 5 by 30. About 5 by 30. 5 by 30. So, is equal to 5 by 30 or 5 1 times 5 6 are equal to 1 by 6. See, now an important thing over here, that if A and B can 1 day work is equal to 1 by 6, therefore A and B working together can complete the piece of work in not 1 by 6, 6 by 1 days, in 6 days. So at the end, what you need to do, 1 day work should be converted into its reciprocal to find out the total number of days required to do the work. Isn't it? A plus B, 1 day work is equal to this much, 1 by 6. So naturally, in order to make the denominator 1, you need to multiply it first, you multiply it by 6. So you can say that A plus B can complete the piece of work in 6 days. So whatever you get over here, 1 day work, just you convert it into its reciprocal. Moving on to the next one, what we have. So now we will not waste any time. Okay, we have never wasted our time. Okay, have a look here in number 1 minute. Let me adjust this. Number 2, what do we have? So number 2 में A and B together can do a piece of work in 6 2 by 3 days. So A plus B 1 day work will be equal to how much? Will be equal to 6 2 by 3. So 6 2 by 3 is equal to your 20 by 3 days. Yes or no? So A plus B 1 day work in not 1 day work, total work. You can say total work, not 1 day work. This is your total work. So total work it can be done in 20 by 3 days. So A plus B 1 day work will be equal to 3 by 20. Will be 1 day work will be equal to 3 by 20. 1 day work. Now they have given you, but B alone can do it in 10 days. So when B can complete it in 10 days, therefore B's 1 day work will be equal to 1 by 10. This is what they have given you. B can complete a piece of work in 10 days, means B 1 day work is equal to 1 by 10. Now refer to this one and this one. A plus B 1 day work is equal to 3 by 20 and B 1 day work is equal to 1 by 10. Therefore A 1 day work will be equal to 3 by 20 minus 1 by 10. So 3 by 20 minus 1 by 10. I know think that you know how to subtract fractions, isn't it? How to subtract fraction. 10 how many times? 10 twos are 20, which will give you how much? Which will give you 1 by 20. So A's 1 day work is equal to 1 by 20. Therefore A can complete the piece of work in 20 days. As I had told you, whatever answer you will get for 1 day, you just convert it into a reciprocal to get the total number of days required. Moving on to number 3, what do we have? तो बेटा 3 में है A can do a piece of work in 15 days. So A's 1 day work they have given you as 1 by 15, and B's 1 day work is also given as 1 by 20, because we can complete a piece of work in 20 days. A can complete a piece of work in 15 days. Okay? If they work together on it for 4 days, so let us first find out A plus B 1 day work will be how much? So 1 day work will be equal to 1 by 15 plus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20. 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20. And this is equal to how much? Let's find out the LCM of 15 and 20. Okay, and then we will add these fractions, and what we will get? 7 by 60. So A plus B 1 day work is equal to 7 by 60. Therefore A plus B 4 days work will be equal to how much? So beta, because they have already given you that if they work on it for 4 days, so A plus B 4 days work will be equal to 7 by 60 multiplied by 4. 4 how many times? 7 by 15. So in 4 days 7 by 15 work has been done. What fraction of the work will be left? So work left will be equal to how much? So work left will be equal to, total work is always taken as 1. Total work is always taken as 1. 1 minus 7 by 15 will be equal to how much? Will be equal to 8 by 15. 8 by 15. Or वैसे भी you need not to you can say you need not to subtract 7 by 15 from 1. You can directly write 8 by 15, because out of 15, when 7 work has been done, it's very natural. Then 8 work is not done. So here you people can see that how beautifully this particular sum has been covered. Come on. Moving on to the next one, that is the next one, that is number 4. What do we have? Okay, even to turn the pages it takes about few minutes. Okay, which I do not like it. Okay, I do not like. Come on, let's go to number 4, in which what are they saying? They are saying that in number 4, my dear, A, B and C can do a piece of work in 6 days. 6 days, 12 days and 24 days. So, okay, fine. No problem. No issue. Why? Because here is 1 day work. You can find it out as 1 by 6. Very good. Similarly, B's 1 day work is equal to 1 by 20, isn't it? 1 by 12, 1 by 12. And C's 1 day work is equal to 1 by 24. So you have got here A's 1 day work, B's 1 day work, and C's 1 day work. In what time will they all together do it? So come on, A plus B plus C 1 day work will be equal to 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 24. है कि नहीं? चलिए. So 6 plus 12 plus 24, 6, 12 and 24, what LCM are you going to get? So the LCM will be 24, 6 4s are 12, 2 times and 24 1 times, 4 5 6 7 is equal to 7 by 24. 7 by 24 is the fraction of work which has been done by A, B and C in 1 day. Okay, so when 7 by 12, 27 by 24 work has been done in 1 day, therefore total number of days required to complete the work will be the reciprocal of this. 24 by 7. 24 by 7 means how much? 7 3s are 21. 3 21, 3 by 7. 3 by 7 days. It's very simple. So A, B and C will complete the piece of work in 3 by 7 days. Okay. Let me see if we have something different or something great in number 5. Okay. What great do we have in number 5? A and B working together can mow a field in 56 days. Okay. So A and B 1 day work will be equal to how much? Will be equal to 1 by 56. Clear? Because A and B can complete the piece of work in 56 days. So एक दिन का काम will be 1 by 56. And with the help of C, they should have mowed it in 42 days. 1 minute. Once again, so here they say that A and B 1 day work is 1 by 56. But if C would have come, then they would have completed the work in 42 days. This means A, B and C 1 day work will be 1 by 42. Clear? So can't you find out how long would C take to mow the field? Come on, we shall do it over here only. So C's 1 day work will be equal to A plus B plus C minus A plus B. That is 1 by 42 minus 1 by 56. Okay. What will be the LCM of 42 and 56? Okay. It will be somewhat 7 times 2 times 3 times 4. Yes. This will be the LCM. Okay, when you will find out the LCM, you will get 7 times 2 times 3 times 4. 42. Remove 42 from here. So 7 6 times 42. 7 2s are 14, 3s are 42. 4 remains. 56. So 7 how many times? 7 8s are 56. 7 and 4 2s are 8. 3 remains. 4 minus 3. Which will give you how much? 1 by 7 times 2 times 3 times 4 is equal to how much? Is equal to 168. 168. So C's 1 day work is equal to 1 by 68, or you can say C will finish the work in 168 days if C would work alone. What do you think? Shall we move on to the next one? That's number 60. All the sums of time and work, they are very, very important. They're very important. Okay. That is why please do not take it lightly. Because when you start taking it lightly, your brain becomes empty because you have nothing else to listen or hear. A can do a piece of work in 24 days. So my dear, A's 1 day work is equal to how much? Is equal to 1 by 24. Very good. A and B can do it in 16 days. So I will write this also. A plus B 1 day work will be equal to 1 by 16. And A, B and C. Let me write this also. So A plus B plus C 1 day work will be equal to 10 2 by 3. So 10 2 by 3 is equal to how much? 32 by 3, 32 by 3, but here we are finding it 1 day. Therefore 3 by 32, 3 by 32, 1 day work. So A is 1 day work, B is 1 day work and C is 1 day work. I have found out. In how many days A and C do it together? A and C. A and C. So from these two you can find out C. So C here, C is 1 day will be equal to 1 day work will be equal to 3 by 32 minus 1 by 16. A plus B plus C में से A plus B गायब कर दीजिए. What will you get? You will get only C. This will be equal to how much? So LCM of 32 and 16, LCM of 32 and 16 will be how much? Will be 32 only. So 3 minus 16 2s are 32. It will be equal to 1 by 32. So C is 1 day. C's 1 day work is equal to 1 by 32. Fine. Now what were they asking? They were asking in how many days A and C complete the work. So A plus C 1 day work, because we have found out 1 day work of A and 1 day work of C. So naturally A plus C 1 day work will be equal to how much? So A's 1 day work जो कि 1 by 24 है and plus C's 1 day work. C's 1 day work is how much? 1 by 32. Can you people add this? LCM of 24 and 32, isn't it? I think you can do this. So LCM will be 96, 4 plus 3, which will give you how much? 7 by 96. Okay, so A plus C can finish in how many days? Can finish the piece of work in how many days? In 96 by 7 days, which comes to how much? 13, 5 by 7 days. So here this was the easiest of all. This was the easiest of all the sums. So this is how you people can keep on solving the sums. I'll do one more and then the next part I'll do it, you can say, in the next video. Come to number 7, my dear. And number 7 में क्या है बेटा? Number 7 में let me see if there is something different in 7. Okay. A is 1 day work. They have given you A can do a piece of work in 20 days. So A's 1 day work is equal to how much? Yeah, 1 by 20. And B in 15 days. तो B का भी निकालिए ना जी. B is 1 day work. 1 day work कितना काम करेगा बाबा? 1 by 15. 1 by 15. They work together on it for 6 days. अच्छा पहले let us find out that A plus B 1 day work will be equal to how much? तो बेटा 1 day work will be equal to 1 by 20 plus 1 by 15. तो 1 by 20 plus 1 by 15. LCM will be equal to how much? 60. 23s are, 15 4s are, 7 by 60. This is 1 day work of A and B. They work together for 6 days. So for 6 days, A plus B work is equal to how much? Will be equal to 7 by 60 into 6. 6 गुना ज़्यादा, 6 times more. एक दिन में इतना काम. So 6 days में how much work? So 6 10 times is equal to 7 by 10. Simple. How long will B take to finish the remaining work? अच्छा, So after working 6 days, remaining work is equal to how much? So remaining work will be equal to 1 minus 7 by 10, as I had told you that total work is always taken as 1. Total work is always taken as 1, and if you think that I am not going to take total work as 1, you can find out the answer directly over here, isn't it? 10 में से 7 काम हुआ, so remaining is equal to 3 by 10. So is equal to 3 by 10. 3 by 10 is the remaining work. And who will do this? They are saying that B will do it. B will do it. So B will take how many days? So B will take how many days? How many days? B will take how many days? Question mark. Days is equal to total remaining work, okay, by work done in 1 day. Work done in 1 day. तो ठीक तो है यार, कीजिए ना. Total remaining work is equal to how much? So total remaining work is equal to 3 by 10. अभी ना निकाले 3 by 10. And work done in 1 day by B. So work done by B in 1 day is equal to 1 by 15. Means 3 by 10 divided by 1 by 15. मतलब 3 by 10 multiplied by 15 by, रे बाबू ठीक से लिखो ना जी, by 15 by 1. तो देखिए ना, 5 how many times? 5 3s are and 5 2s are 10. Means 3 3s are 9 by 2, 9 by 2, or 9 by 2, or how many days? 4 1 by 2 days. Okay. I hope I have tried my level best to make you understand. If you have not understood, then the best way is to rewind it and see the video again and again. Okay. ठीक है? Moving on to the next one. आजा बेटा. Number 8. So 8 sums over here and 8 sums I will do it. 8 sums over here and 8 sums I will do it in the next video. तो 8 में बेटा क्या दिया हुआ? नंबर 8 में A can finish a piece of work in 15 days and B in 10 days. अरे बाबा, A is 1 day work is equal to how much? Is equal to 1 by 15, and B's 1 day work is equal to how much? Equal to 1 by 10. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, no problem. They work together for 2 days. So let us find out A plus B 1 day work. So here 1 day work is equal to how much? 1 by 15 plus 1 by 10. Means LCM of 15 and 10 is equal to how much? Is equal to 30. 15 2s are 10, 3s are 30 is equal to 5 by 30. 5 by 30 means 5 1s are 5, 6s are equal to 1 by 6. क्या बात है? So A plus B 1 day work is equal to 1 by 6. So they worked for how many days? They worked for 2 days. तो ठीक है. So A plus B 2 days work is equal to एक दिन का काम को multiplied by 2 twice. So 2 3s are 6 is equal to 1 by 3. So A plus B 2 days work is equal to 1 by 3. तो बेटा remaining work क्या होगा? Remaining work. So remaining work equal to, as I had told you, total work is taken as 1 minus 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 is the remaining work. Okay. In how many days will A finish it? Now this will be finished by A. FINISHED. Finished by A. The number of days taken by, taken by A in finishing this work. Let me write the entire statement. In finishing the remaining work will be equal to 2 by 3 यानी remaining work divided by एक दिन का क्षमता of A. एक दिन का क्षमता कितना है बाबू? 1 by 15. A's 1 day work is equal to 1 by 15. So similarly, you can see that when you will divide the remaining work by A's 1 day work, what are you going to get? 2 by 3 into 15 by 1. 3 5s are 15. That is how much? 2 5s are 10, equal to 10 days. So this is how we solve time and work problem. Okay. So for the next remaining sum, that is from 8 to 16, please stay tuned. That's it.